Come on, y'all. YouTube takeover. Hey, YouTube takeover. Hey, and so today, y'all, I am with my sisters.
Hi, I'm Minnie Coops. I'm Shaw.
And so today we will be doing a wing and fries mukbang, y'all. And if y'all see this right here, I fractured my finger on accident. I slammed it in the door. But let's get on to these clips. Hey guys, it's your girl Uriah Love. Make sure you catch me on YouTube every Wednesday. Hey, YouTube takeover. Hey, YouTube takeover. Hey. I got my wrench.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, copycat. I need some help. That's what big sisters are for. Take.
Wow, see that?
I'm done.
I'm weak.
Take one, pass it down.
I'm weak.
Take one, pass it down. Okay, I want a lemon pepper first.
Take a hot, flat piece. You feel?
You like flats? Let me give me my wrench.
Oh, my lipstick in my finger.
But I'm gonna be asking y'all some questions. So, first question: why did you start dancing? Shaw first, and then Coops.
I started dancing because I tried every single sport in the world, and I saw one of my friends dancing. I was like, shoot, I want to do this too. So I think it was about like trying to find something I want to do, and then when I figured out I can do it professionally, I was like, oh wait.
Coops.
Well, I mean, I just, I didn't expect for me to be a dancer because I used to have no rhythm at first. I used to dance with socks on my fingers. I'm in my hands trying to do like sign language and hands ministry. And then my sisters used to dance in this group, and I used to watch them dance. And then I used to be in the back just dancing with them. And the owner of the dance studio was like, "Yo, let's give her a scholarship." So then that's when I trained. When I was like 4 or 5 in ballet, tap, and gymnastics, and then that's when I had went on with my life and danced the life away.
And y'all might know it from Instagram, Minnie Coops.
Period. No.
I'm the one, Minnie Coops.
Oh God.
I started dancing when I was 1, and my mama, what I've been told, is I was at a party one day in my cousin's house, and my mama, she was like, "Oh yeah," people were like, "Yeah, she can dance," and mom was like, "Oh yeah, she can dance," and then she saw me have some rhythm, she was like, "Okay, I might put her in some dance class." So I first started off with tap and ballet, and have fun ever since. Alright, serious question.
Oh Lord.
Do y'all believe in Santa Claus?
Yes, Santa is real. There's a North Pole, heaven, but
Ma'am.
they all come down for our friends. I love it. Amen. Period.
Zakaya.
Yeah. What are the people out there?
I believe in Santa. I know he's real.
Why you believe in Santa?
Because I have this app. Me and my cousin, we do this app every year where we track Santa. It's called Santa Tracker.
I know it's not no burglar.
And so it travels like from Santa going to Illinois, from here. And it tells you,
What did I do that day?
and you put in the city that you live in, and it tells you, it does like an alert to wake you up when Santa comes.
Why you're not supposed to wake up, you're supposed to be asleep.
Right.
Y'all some bad, y'all in the naughty list.
No, I do this. I'm telling Santa when I see him at the mall. I seen him at the mall.
Oh, not the mom.
I took pictures with him too.
Not the mom.
I see Santa's helper at Walmart every year.
Really?
Walmart. So, any of y'all sing?
Shaw does. No cap.
Shekinah.
I don't sing.
I would like to hear some.
My mouth too dry for that. I'm gonna be sounding like Fergie.
She sent me a video on Snapchat. She was like, she was doing her little falsetto head voices. I said, okay, sis.
I always sound like Fergie when she sang the national anthem. That's what I sound like.
Oh,
She
gosh.
capping.
You ain't cook? You have any music out?
Dang, everybody know you.
Next year, I'll be releasing a single, and
It's
after
called
that,
Period. Free JT. That's what it's called.
after that, I'll be releasing my first EP. So stay tuned for that.
Well, what songs do you have out now?
I have out Baby. She's
You was
fire.
my baby. I can't believe that.
What's new for you, Uriah, Miss Superstar?
If y'all haven't checked out, I have some new merch online. I don't really know how to sing, but we getting there. And
Everybody know how to sing.
yeah.
Alright, my ears are bleeding.
I'm weak.
Rude. All right. Next question. What's our New Year's resolution? Wings gone fast.
Shoot. To build my business up. Yeah.
That's good. Oops.
My business, whoa.
Alright.
My New Year's
I'm wrong.
resolution is, that's a good question. Because I just really focused about the rest of my life, not like the New Year. Anyways, my New Year's resolution, I guess I would say, is to stop procrastinating about stuff.
Period. That's what I need to do.
And just do it.
Right.
So, yeah.
My New Year's resolution is to dive like into this deep thing, like in this deep, where I'm all focused just about my company, and about my career. Nothing else can bother me. Oh, in school.
Period. We got a long way in school, sis. We better graduate.
Only 6 years. Like
I'm ready to graduate.
Really?
6 or 7.
You're in what grade you
That's
in?
what I want.
6.
Time
That's
is
him getting my
flying. I
sister.
really thought she was like in the 4th grade still.
Right, me too.
Wow. That is crazy.
So,
I'm old now. So what?
so, any crazy stories y'all want to tell?
Ooh, excuse me. I'm sorry.
You childish.
No, it's coming out now. My stomach don't hurt no more. It was gas.
Bro,
It was gas.
you still on camera, bro. And you look at your fingers and stuff.
Right. And it's going on YouTube, so.
They be like that though. They be like,
Do my shave routine.
here they go.
It's ASMR. Oh, that would be funny.
So,
It's a little spicy.
I'm gonna do ASMR.
no, you should touch the camera. You should touch the camera.
Tap, 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 tap.
Oh, I want some water.
Do the goat. Oh.
Yo, I'm weak. So Shaw, anything new?
What's that about for me?
People in your life?
Oh, I'm done.
Yeah. I'm actually dating Justin Timberlake.
Oh, I'm done.
Oh.
You're not gonna catch me. Oh man.
I have a good question.
That's why it's turn off. Shut up.
No, it's not.
It's
It's still on.
I have another question. Out of all of 2018, what was the best song of 2018? Well, what was the best 3 songs in 2018 of your choice?
That's a good one.
I like LMA. Her whole album was good. And her. I don't know. It's too many people. It's albums more than singles for me. Yeah, I don't know.
You're right.
I like Travis Scott's Sicko Mode.
Oh, yeah,
Sicko
that's
Mode. My songs came out in 2018. Cardi B. Invasion of Privacy. That's my favorite one. And I guess LMA, yeah. Because whatchamacallit is my song.
What? Boot up?
It's not supposed to be that
It's
song.
called whatchamacallit.
This song supposed to be booed up.
Okay.
Whatever.
My favorite 3 songs is
Ride Good by Life and Keisha.
no, it is City Girls. I'll
I
Take Your
think I
Man.
leave that out.
And Butterflies by Naja, Queen Naja.
Ooh,
And,
that's my
I'm not saying nothing.
My fourth one, no, my third one. Whoa.
You stupid, no?
My third one is oh my god.
It's Millionaire by City Girl.
No. I don't know. I guess I'll say a gospel song.
I got you on. Oh, no. Never mind.
I'm done.
I was going to say, people are that drunk.
Oh, no.
Keep
It was
on
Bossy.
going.
It was Bossy by Kiki Palmer. I like
It
that
came out
song.
this year?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
I forgot.
A year went by fast. It seems longer than a year.
You went by
I
really
just
fast.
got, oh, Stop Song on Me. I like that song.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some Coca Bang on Coca
And
Bang.
you go mad.
No, never mind. That is kid friendly. Never mind.
And shout out to Torian. No.
So keep on. Oh, what's your
Official
Instagram name?
Torian.
Put that in. I hope you don't put that in.
Edit this out.
Hey, shout out to Tony. I see back at dancing.
If you see this, Torian, I love you.
If you see this, Tony,
You getting tagged,
she been
Torian.
thinking.
I'm done. Oh my god, go ahead. Next question.
Let's see. What's your favorite store to shop at?
Girl, I don't know. I be going to cheap stores. I be going to Rainbow.
Yes.
Going.
I'll go in the mall with $20 and come out with 4 outfits.
I'll go to Walmart with 10,000 outfits.
Right. Walmart be having that good stuff.
What if oh,
I go to City Trends.
right, I like
They got
citrus.
good outfits.
City Trends is good.
Favorite things to look at, the things I ain't buying yet.
Right.
Fashion.
Fashion, no, well,
You got a Fashion
No.
Nova outfit.
but no, Fashion Nova has good deals.
Yeah,
When
it
you go
does.
on
I
their
just never
sales,
buy it, though.
It goes under $5. I got some pants. You know those pants that I be wearing like that?
Yeah.
I got those for $3.
I'm getting an outfit for
$3.
Yes. You gotta get those sales on Fashion Nova.
Ooh,
like,
I got the 80% off.
I'm cheap. I can't spend $20 on a pair of pants.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
Not even 10. Like,
My
it's-
limit is 5.
Yeah, like I'm
5 and below.
balling on the budget. So,
Like,
you know.
period.
Yes. What else?
What has been your favorite saying of the year? Period.
Yes, sir.
No cap.
Okay.
No cap.
No rap cap.
Who's your favorite Instagrammer?
Mini Coops.
That's a lie.
I'm your twin.
Oh, who's your
And she ain't saying you. My bad.
Probably brace face layer. Isha.
That's the
Ayo,
girl that be
Isha.
like, whoa. Is that her?
Yeah. My favorite Instagrammer, will have to be right now. Nate's So Ugly.
That's her man's.
No, it's not. I promise you.
Zoom in on my face in that part. Okay.
No, he's not. I mean, he's a good friend of mine, but I actually like where he's going with his career. He's funny.
Gotcha.
Oh, Smoothio. I like Smoothio. Smoothio.
Favorite YouTuber?
You better not say Christian Queen. I'll kill you.
No,
Yeah.
actually, my favorite YouTuber right now
Reality?
is Nate So Ugly. Sorry.
Smoothio. Period.
My favorite family one is Ace Family.
Washington, you better say
Jira and
Washington.
Ken. Jira and Ken.
Yeah, but
I love they are a family. They're one.
I know, but like a person with a kid, I'm talking. Ace Family.
We're speaking in existence, you know. I love them, man.
And my individual probably have to be Liza Koshy.
Oh, I know you're talking about.
Oh, she lost.
I'm lost, but I'm like
Right
I
in
know.
the sauce.
When's your birthday?
When's my birthday? My birthday is December 30th. Sorry, my birthday. My birthday is August 30th.
February 16th. Don't forget that, Goops. Don't
December
forget
31st.
My birthday is December 30th. Buy tickets, you know what I'm saying?
Mm.
I'm not going
that. In
to
Miami.
My birthday gonna be fine.
No, it ain't.
I'm excited.
Not without us. It's not
Next
gonna
year,
be fun.
okay.
I'm going.
I promise. I said this was gonna
You
be my
going?
last part. My last
I
party.
want to go.
But
Right,
everybody
it's
been
too many
saying,
grown folks.
yeah.
You can't.
It was actually an age limit. If there's little kids at the door, they're gonna. Well, no, cause my little cousin's coming.
Your little kids can't come. I ain't watching nobody child. No, sorry.
It's gonna be kid friendly. I promise.
You're 18. There's no such thing as kid friendly.
I'm not gonna say nothing.
I don't know what's going on.
What was it?
That's nasty. Why would you do that on camera?
Exactly.
What was it?
No.
If this was Love and Hip Hop, this drink would have been in your face. Oh my gosh.
I'm
Favorite
recording.
reality show?
Oh, I love me some Star and Empire.
That's not
Reality show.
Oh, I'm tripping. My favorite reality show would have to be the Rap Game. Rap Game.
Hey, you know who's gonna be on there?
5 second
What's his name? Sir. Yeah, I don't know.
Hold up, you about to say that one?
Girl,
Yeah.
it's a 5 second rip. You're not gonna take that out.
Nah, it's been 5 seconds. I looked at Auntie. I was like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's my bad.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's okay.
Good.
I don't watch reality shows. I don't even watch TV.
I like Tia and Tiny, Family Hustle. That's my favorite old one. Or like
Grown
Tia
Up
and
Hip
Tiny.
Hop.
Growing Up Hip Hop too. And I like loving hip hop. Atlanta and Hollywood are good. And
That's some rats. Yeah, so ratchet.
Tia and Tiny, Friends and Family Hustle.
How many shows he got?
All of them.
I can't keep up.
He only got 2.
I made it past 10 wings without
No, I mean,
I'm already dying. So
5.
y'all, it's hot. Yeah.
yes, man. If you haven't had wings in a while,
It's hot.
1,
It's hot.
2,
Hot,
3,
hot,
4,
hot.
5, 6, 7. Oh, this is my 8th wing. You have 10?
what do you
I
want
want
for
for
Christmas?
Wow.
All
Well,
right,
I
don't
want a
have
new
a long
phone.
list
I want a phone, a new phone, an XR. I also want a bath bomb maker.
Nah, you make that in your kitchen.
LED lights
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
to go above my bed, and my new bed that I want my mother to get me. Mommy, if you out there. I don't want to say out my whole Christmas list because I'm probably going to say that for another video.
What you
Keep on the
thinking?
lookout.
I want for Christmas. I want a new frontal, and I want my frontal to be blue and purple, like different colors.
She's
Like a
getting it for her
mermaid.
birthday.
I want.
I mean, we'll talk about. I want iceberg.
I want money, and I want ice.
Where the money at? Deposit.
I want Christmas shocker.
I want a car, man. I want to graduate. That's what I want. I know.
Praise him.
I want a car.
Period.
Period. I want a car. I want some new weed.
What is y'all favorite? What's been y'all favorite dance of 2018?
Dancer?
No, like dance.
Favorite dance?
Like trendy dance.
Duo.
I like.
I like the WAP too. I like the WAP and the well. Favorite dancer of 2018.
Skinny Little Size and Kiki.
I say dancer.
How they dancers?
And
Alright, I'm gonna be for real.
Of 2018, no, I've been following people since they were like came out. KK Harris.
No, like, oh, good one. Okay.
Good.
My lipstick.
Oops, what you gonna do for your party? What's some of the things happening?
So, I am going back home to Miami, Florida, and I am throwing my big 18th birthday bash December 30th. Tickets are on sale for $5, and then
Okay, see, the only reason why I'm saying next, Shekinah.
What I got going on? Oh, I'm teaching more, so yeah, and I'm starting my merch. Found saying right there, yes sir. But I gotta get y'all one because I ain't even told nobody that. So yeah.
All right. Me, I have new merch out. It's some Christmas merch like Santa, did you get my DM? Santa, did you get my text? And I came up with those all by myself.
Miss
Oh, that's
Entrepreneur.
fire.
With the help of my mama. Oh gosh. So any last words, everybody?
Free day tea, where the money at, deposits, all that. Class of 2019, you know what I'm saying?
No, I don't know what you're saying.
Where
I
the
love
money
y'all.
Where the money
And
at?
stay in school and reach for the stars.
Make sure that y'all check out Champion Ill. It is coming out on the 12th, and it will be amazing. You guys go see your girl. But it has a little bit of adult content. But make sure that you watch episode 5, because that's the lit one. Hey! That's all I have for y'all today. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, and share this video. And make sure that y'all go cop some merch. And her merch. And you got any merch out?
Not yet.
Not yet, coming soon. Anyway, I love y'all. YouTube takeover. Hey, YouTube takeover. Hey, I'm out. Peace. And make sure you go cop some merch. And make sure that y'all stay in school, kids. Hey. Mama, could you cut it?